Hey art fans, Steve here from NVIDIA. This week we celebrate sharks, and today we're taking a little different approach to the celebration. No scary music and gnashing teeth, well, maybe just a little. Instead, I think it's time to give some love to our ocean-dwelling neighbors with some amazing artwork from a few of our shark-obsessed colleagues. And in the end, after looking at the scale of all this shark art, you might agree with me when I say, we're gonna need a bigger studio standout. Up first in the shark tank is Alessandro Mastronardi. Between his experiences working as a concept wildlife artist for the BBC and actually experiencing sharks in his travels, Alessandro knows more than a little about these beautiful creatures, and it shows. Check out the incredible texture and colors on this basking shark. I mean, just look at the details in that mouth and the way the shark glides through the water. Moving a little too slow for you? Why not just take a dip with a few hammerheads or hitch a ride on a great white and speed things up a little? Whoa, I'll bet those scars tell a story. Whether it's a still image or animation, Alessandro brings it all to life in beautifully rendered scenes using ZBrush, Blender, and NVIDIA Omniverse. Well done, Alessandro. For Maggie Malloy, the artwork started with a fascination about how sharks interact with their environments. She's inspired by the science behind the art, studying research and documentaries to understand how a species behaves and moves before she starts modeling with Blender. So why show a whale shark in a box? I think it's maybe to take a break from the scenery and perhaps focus on the magnificent animal itself. I think it provides the perfect minimalistic backdrop for highlighting how the shark moves through its natural environment. I don't know if anyone has more fun with sharks than HyperTaff. It's all about using humor to look at a supposedly scary animal in a completely new and unexpected way. I mean, take a look at this. A shark is a whole lot less threatening when it's sitting in a bathtub, playing with its scuba diver and orca toys, right? But the imagery is more than just playful. It's also brilliantly composed and rendered using tools like Blender, Substance 3D Painter, and Photoshop. This lighter approach also comes through in HyperTaff's emotional support shark. You gotta love him bringing his own chum snack for the flight. From pirates to plushes, rabbits to robots, artists everywhere are giving us brilliantly original takes that help shape how we think about sharks. And we had a blast diving in to see where their imagination takes them and us. Do you have something amazing we can sink our teeth into? Go ahead and share your artwork and your journey at #StudioShare. And be sure to follow us at NVIDIA Studio to see what else we have in store for you.